Okay, so we had our little madreporite located right here. Now water is going to flow through the entire organism. That's the vascular part. But it's also used for movement. So we eventually want to get the water where? Where does the water need to end up going for movement? Not the toes. Tube feet. So let's draw some little tube feet. There we go. There's our little tube feet. Madreporite? I don't know. Okay. Okay, so all we have to do is get from point A to point G. So go ahead and work with your neighbor. See if you can do that. You can turn around and talk to Noah. Noah's awesome.
What are we talking about? Like what are we
Try to get it from water from the madreporite. So we know that we only have one entry point, and yet we have these kind of exit points all over the starfish. So we are going to have little canals that go down each arm. That just makes logical sense, right? Yeah. Well, how do we get from one point to disperse out to 5?
Ring
The
canal.
ring canal. So there's got to be a ring.
Mine's very smaller. I'll just make it bigger. You just say it.
All right, so now we've got a ring. We've got these elements. We're not going to mention yet. We're not going to label it yet. But how do we get water from the madreporite down to the ring? Okay, good. All right, now we're going to start labeling. So we've got our stone canal. We know this is called the ring because that totally makes sense. And then what do these look like? Like radii, right? Like the radius.
The only radius I know is in my arm.
Radial. Now we've gotten that water out to each of the arms. Now we just have to make that final little transition out to the tube feet. So there's going to be little, tiny little canals, and then there's the little bulb, which then goes down to the tube feet. Okay, what are these tiny little? Lateral. How do we remember lateral? Because they're like little rungs on a ladder. I love that. It's not spelled the same, but lateral. Canals. What are the little bulbs? Ampullae. And then we have the tube feet.